Have you ever dreamed of owning a piece of history? From rare stamps to vintage sneakers, collectibles have long captivated the hearts and minds of enthusiasts worldwide. But these prized possessions aren't just for show. They can also be incredible investment opportunities for those with a keen eye and a passion for the unique. Imagine holding a one-of-a-kind treasure, a tangible link to a bygone era or a cultural phenomenon that captured the imagination of millions. That's the allure of rare collectibles. They're more than just objects. They're portals to another time, another place, another story. Welcome to our exploration of the fascinating world of rare collectibles and the potential they hold for savvy investors. Buckle up as we delve into the intricacies of this thrilling market, from identifying the next big thing to navigating the complexities of value and rarity. What are collectibles? At their core, collectibles are unique, rare, or hard-to-find items that have gained sentimental or historical value within a particular community or audience. These treasures can range from postage stamps and coins to comic books, fine art, and even sneakers. But what sets them apart is their ability to transcend their original purpose and become objects of desire, coveted for their scarcity, cultural significance, or sheer beauty. Imagine holding a stamp that once graced the envelopes of royalty, or a coin that bears the visage of an ancient ruler. These aren't mere pieces of paper or metal. They're windows into the past, tangible reminders of the stories and civilizations that came before us. It's this allure that drives collectors and investors alike to seek out these prized possessions, sometimes at astonishing prices. The allure of rare collectibles. Investing in rare collectibles isn't just about making a profit. It's about tapping into a rich tapestry of history, culture, and human ingenuity. Each item tells a story, whether it's the journey of a rare stamp from one corner of the globe to another, or the tale of a designer's groundbreaking vision brought to life in a pair of iconic sneakers. But the appeal of collectibles goes beyond the sentimental. These investments offer the potential for substantial returns, as the rarest and most sought-after items can skyrocket in value over time, driven by the ever-increasing demand from passionate collectors and investors. Imagine holding a treasure that appreciates in value with each passing year, a tangible asset that not only captivates the imagination, but also generates real wealth. The art of identifying gems. To succeed in the world of rare collectibles, you must cultivate a discerning eye and a deep understanding of the market you're operating in. This requires immersing yourself in the culture, studying the history, and constantly staying abreast of trends and emerging areas of interest. It's a journey of discovery, where each piece you encounter holds the potential to be the next big thing, the next obsession that will captivate collectors worldwide. From the nuances of stamp grading and the intricacies of coin mintage to the ever-evolving world of sneaker culture, the ability to separate the truly rare from the merely uncommon is a skill that can make or break your investment strategy. It's a talent that combines an eye for detail, a passion for research, and an innate understanding of what drives desire and demand. Imagine being the one to uncover the next holy grail of collectibles, that elusive treasure that sends shockwaves through the community and ignites a frenzy of interest. That's the thrill of rare collectibles, the possibility of discovering something truly extraordinary, something that will not only captivate your own imagination, but also potentially generate substantial returns. Stamps, a timeless treasure. Stamps have long been a favorite among collectors, and for good reason. These miniature works of art have captured the imagination of enthusiasts for centuries, their intricate designs and historical significance making them highly coveted. But beyond their aesthetic appeal, stamps offer a unique window into the history and cultural heritage of nations and peoples. Picture holding a stamp from the reign of a legendary ruler, or one that bears the mark of a pivotal moment in human history. These tiny pieces of paper are more than just stamps. They're time capsules, capturing the essence of an era and preserving it for generations to come. And as governments and postal services retire and discontinue certain stamp series, their rarity increases, driving up demand and potential returns. From the iconic Treskilling Yellow of Sweden to the elusive British Guiana 1C Magenta, the stamp market is filled with gems that have fetched staggering prices at auction, solidifying their status as true investment-grade collectibles. But beyond the monetary value, these stamps represent a tangible connection to our shared past, a reminder of the stories and cultures that have shaped our world. Coins. a tangible link to history. Coins have been a part of human civilization for millennia, serving not only as a medium of exchange, but also as a canvas for artistic expression and a record of cultural heritage. Today, rare and historic coins are among the most sought-after collectibles, attracting the attention of numismatists and investors alike. From ancient Greek and Roman coins to prized American rarities like the 1933 Double Eagle, the coin market offers a wealth of opportunities for those willing to navigate its intricacies. With a keen understanding of mintage, condition, and provenance, savvy investors can uncover true gems that have the potential to appreciate substantially over time. Sneakers, a cultural phenomenon. Once relegated to the realm of athletic wear, sneakers have evolved into a cultural phenomenon, transcending their functional roots to become highly coveted collectibles. From limited edition collaborations to retro revivals, the sneaker market has captured the attention of enthusiasts and investors worldwide. In this ever-evolving landscape, rarity and cultural significance are the driving forces behind a sneaker's value. Whether it's a pair of iconic Air Jordans or a limited-run collaboration between a renowned designer and a streetwear brand, the right sneaker can fetch eye-watering prices at auction or on the secondary market. The thrill of the hunt. For many collectors and investors, the true joy of rare collectibles lies in the thrill of the hunt. Scouring auctions, flea markets, and online forums for that elusive gem is a pursuit that requires patience, determination, and a deep well of knowledge. It's a journey filled with anticipation, where every lead, every whispered rumor could potentially uncover the next great treasure. Imagine the rush of discovering a long-lost rarity, a piece that has eluded collectors for decades, hidden away in an unassuming corner of the world. Or picture the thrill of outmaneuvering fierce competition at an auction, emerging victorious with a prized possession that will be the envy of enthusiasts worldwide. From negotiating with private collectors to navigating the complexities of provenance and authentication, the journey to acquiring a rare collectible can be as rewarding as the prize itself. It's a world where connections, insider knowledge, and a keen eye can make all the difference, separating the casual observers from the true connoisseurs who understand the art of the hunt. Investing responsibly. While the potential rewards of investing in rare collectibles are enticing, it's crucial to approach this market with caution and a solid understanding of the risks involved. Fluctuations in demand, the possibility of counterfeits, and the ever-present threat of damage or theft are all factors that must be carefully considered. Responsible investing in this realm involves thorough research, a commitment to authentication, and a long-term perspective. It's about building a diversified portfolio of collectibles and treating these investments with the same care and diligence as any other asset class. Building a legacy. For many collectors and investors, rare collectibles represent more than just financial gain. They are a legacy to be passed down through generations. These treasures serve as tangible links to our shared history, cultural touchstones that remind us of where we've been and inspire us to chart new paths. Whether it's a collection of stamps that tells the story of a nation's journey or a carefully curated selection of sneakers that captures the zeitgeist of a particular era, rare collectibles have the power to transcend mere objects and become cherished heirlooms, imbued with the stories and memories of those who came before. If you found this exploration of the world of rare collectibles informative and engaging, we invite you to like this video and share it with your friends and fellow enthusiasts. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating glimpses into the realms of alternative investments and the stories behind the objects that captivate our imaginations. Together, we can unlock the secrets of this thrilling market and uncover the hidden gems that await those with a discerning eye and a passion for the extraordinary.